Hello again. If you're planning to do some walking in the hills this weekend, I've got some food for thought for you. Here's an early warning of some severe weekend weather. Now, up over northern hills, we could well see several centimetres or inches of snow, and in the strong winds there'll be some drifting with very cold Arctic air across the country. Even in the south there'll be some sleet, hail and snow showers. There'll be severe overnight frosts, and it'll feel bitterly cold in those northerly winds. But first we've got to get that Arctic air down across the country, and that's going to be complicated during tonight by this little area of low pressure. It'll track down this western side of the British Isles during tonight, and it'll bring some more general rain with it. Now we can see the first of those weather fronts showing up. Now that's bringing rain eastwards during this evening, and then that little low shows up with its cloud beginning to stream into the northwest. The first of the fronts shows up here as this band of rain, and as it moves eastwards we could well find some heavier bursts of rain, perhaps even that rain turning a little bit sleety up on the high ground, but it should clear the northeast coast during this evening. Behind the rain we'll find colder, showery weather, and the showers will be falling as sleet and snow up over the hills of Scotland. Now by the end of the night there'll be snow getting to lower levels up in the north. We've got that low to contend with, and that's going to bring some general rain in across Northern Ireland, northwest England, Wales, and by the morning the West Country. And above about 300 or 400 metres or 1,000 feet, that rain will be falling as sleet and snow. Further east there's going to be a touch of frost, and with the roads wetted from that earlier rain there's likely to be some ice around. Now tomorrow it'll take much of the day for the thicker cloud and the more persistent rain to clear away from the West Country, and then eventually as the winds strengthen and come round to a more northerly direction, I think we're going to find that wintry weather pushing further south. Those winds will be touching gale force down through the Irish Sea later on in the day, and eventually the sleet and snow showers, hail as well, will get as far south as southern England, with a little bit of snow on the Chilterns by the end of the day. So temperatures, well, getting progressively colder through the day tomorrow, but it's certainly going to feel very chilly if you're out and about in the winds. A severe and widespread frost on Friday night, and then into Saturday, well, there's no doubt about it. Speaking of heading for the hills this